Hey, this is Mike with Jane and Reviews, and today I'm reviewing the Yard House Men's Gift Care Set. Again, by Yard House, this is the eucalyptus and mint scent. So it comes with 6 items. I'm going to show you here. I'll show you all 6 and I'll review them all. So it comes with all of this, which is nice. It's a nice gift set. Comes in this little bag by Yard House. You can see their logo there, and it's just an empty bag. So it's nice. Has a zipper. You can close it up, and also comes with this little label that goes in the bag like that. So we'll put that down for now. So let's review what it comes with. So it comes with the body wash. So it's very nice, and I like that it's a travel set, so you can just take these with you. You can put them in the bag or in your suitcase or whatever. So you have the body wash, you have the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. Okay. You have the body lotion. You have the facial scrub. So I like the colors. I like the black and green. Very nice. Stands out. And I like again that they're small travel size. I can just throw them in a suitcase or just take them with me wherever in a bag or something, book backpack, whatever, and just take them with me. So that's nice. And you have the deodorant, small little roll on. So you just take this top off and you just turn it, and I like to do that sometimes to get it off faster. So yeah, so you have the roll-on deodorant. Let's see, and you also have the loofah. So also has their branding here, Yard House. You can see it there, sort of. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, so that's nice. I like the colors too. I like that it's the black and green. So it looks pretty cool. So, and I like it's kind of small again, like a travel size. So yeah, so it comes with plenty of stuff. So it's a very nice gift. You can help with some, if you want to give this to somebody. So it comes with all of this, and again the bag. So hope it was helpful, and thank you, Yard House, and have a great day.